Good morning, everybody, or good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever time it is when this is posted. Guys, today I am going down memory lane, and I am going to revamp one and just decorate another. Decorating another what? This little sweetheart I made last year. Now, she was made from another bunny that I made over 30 years ago. Go to my bunny video and she's on the thumbnail. You'll see her distant cousin where I got the idea to revamp with different materials. So I wanted to give her a place of honor this year in the formal living room. And so I was trying to find something to put her in. And I came up with one of my baskets that I've had that I used for my Christmas, one of my Christmas DIYs. But I want her to sit up higher. I don't want her to be down so much in the basket. So I just took some brown paper and I'm going to put some white tulle, and you know me, I love my tulle. I always have a few colors on hand, and I have tulle just from different showers or parties that I've given that I keep. I think this white one was from my daughter's baby shower, actually. Okay, so now I've covered up the brown bag. And let me show you her close-up first. Okay, these are the eggs that you'll see if you haven't seen it already. I don't know which video will be going up first, her or the eggs, I'm not sure. Anyway, these eggs I decoupaged with Mod Podge and a napkin. I decoupaged on an egg, just a regular Easter egg, and took a napkin and made this pretty shabby chic egg. And then these are just pom-poms, and the material I got was from Hobby Lobby. And then these are silk roses with a couple of these roses from Hobby Lobby that's in the ribbon section, and some lace and some pearls. So if you go, like I said, to that video where you can see me actually making her step by step, but you'll see her little cousin that I still kept, and now she's put away and this one is out now. So let's put her in the basket. I love doing vignettes. I love it. Okay, now we're going to bring over some grass. And using the tool, that eliminates having to use so much grass if you don't want to. Now, if you want to fill this thing up, go for it. I'm going to take probably 3 of these stems of tulips that I got from Michael's for $2. And they are so pretty. I'm just going to cut those off. Okay. I think I'll just stick them. I'm going to be using a few of these for my other little guest I want to introduce you to in a minute. And this, the one that I made from the original, the one that you're going to meet, well, that one is from over 30 years ago as well. This I also made in a class. It was a quilt class, and we made these folded star Easter eggs one year. So I am going to put that in with her. And then I'm going to put some more of these eggs that I made with the napkins. And if anyone knows me, they know I love the color purple. It's probably my favorite color. And I painted, these looked like this, the shiny, just your typical, I mean, these are littler, but as far as the material, just like this. And I painted them purple and then gessoed them. Some of them I'm just going to leave like this deliberately. I'm also going to put some white ones. Since she's all white, these are just white from Hobby Lobby. They were 99 cents for a pack. And then a couple of these that I made, I put lace around them as well to really shabby them up. And she's holding one that has the lace on it. So I think I'll go here with that one. And here's another one. I just put a toothpick. Actually, I put the toothpick just when they were drying. Have a little bit of grass peeking out. And there you have it. She has a new place of honor in this basket with all of her beautiful Shabby Chic eggs. Now I'm just going to put a bow, and I think I'm going to use this, which I got from Joann's, or I might use this one, I'm not sure. I love redoing things from years back, giving it new life. I encourage you to go to that video because you'll see what the original was made out of. I'm not going to do a fancy bow. Might put these together. It's pretty, it's like an argyle. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So what I did is I just tied the bow, no big deal, just literally tied it. And then I bought these years ago in a place called Fabric Barn in Long Beach. And they're foam. They're made out of foam, but they're really cool looking. So I'm just going to glue this right here at the bottom. Okay, so let's glue this little bow. I'm just putting it at the very end because I want this all to show, so I don't want the bow up high. Let's see, and then let's glue a couple of these roses on there. And I was thinking about adding this little, I got these from the Target dollar spot, these little carrots. But she deserves a very blingy carrot. So there she is, guys, in all her glory, and she will be in the living room. So I hope you liked me giving her her new little home for Easter, and go check out the video. I'll put it in the cards up in the right hand corner, so just click on to that icon and you'll be able to go to it. The next one, little thing, I have had for probably about 34 years. Toll painting was really popular back in the day, and I had a scroll saw, and I used to cut my wood and go to toll painting classes with my girlfriends. And I made this for Easter, and it has all of our names, and obviously this is before any of my grandkids were born. Now, I don't know how, I don't know how I would get them all on here. But anyway, got him out, and I wanted to revamp him a little. So I'm going to put a bow, touch up the paint, put an egg and some grass and tulips, and then I had, look at how I had to glue this so he had a base because the base was gone. So I'm going to paint this and then put some grass. So when I get started, I'll bring you back. Okay, let's start with the base. And I'm just going to give it a coat of green. And I'm not real particular, and I wasn't real particular on that the glue, you know, that you can see it like this kind of clumpy, because I'm going to put grass around him. So that was okay. What I did is I put hot glue and then I put liquid nails. And then I had to kind of brace him up a little bit so he could stand overnight. I wonder if they'll ever bring toll painting back like it was. And also statuary painting. I used to do that too. Yep, that was an old craft many moons ago. And you know what? It probably will come back because I'm seeing things come back from a long time ago. I made my cat for Halloween. I made this for Easter. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna touch up his nose. Maybe the blue around there, I don't know. So I'll be back. Okay, what I did is I cut some more of the tulip from Michael's, and I'm just going to glue a couple of the stems down, and then I'm gonna glue this egg down on them. So I'm just gonna, because I want it like his hands are kind of holding it. So I'm cutting them out more than keeping them straight up and down. Yeah, I like that one hanging over, it's cute. These will be hidden by the egg. That part there. That's cute. There he's holding a couple tulips and an egg, and I'm going to put some grass and get the bow ready. Okay, I'm back. I just made a little bow. Nothing spectacular. I'm going to put it right under here. I want it hugging by his face. Oh my gosh, look at you. You clean up real good, you know it? Camera off the tripod so you can really see it. Okay, what am I going to put in the middle of this? I added a little bit more. Why not? Trying to make it where it doesn't cover the names up. Yeah, you can see I'm still pretty good on the eggs. Okay. Do you want a carrot? Gotta put one of these carrots on the base. Okay. Okay, mister. You are about as good as you're gonna get. I just need to put a little okay, you're good to go. So let me take you down. So here is my revamped 32-year-old bunny. And I believe he cleaned up very well, if I do say so myself. All the pieces, it was pieced together to make it look more dimensional when we made him originally. And then on the eggs, I put all my kids' husband's name. Left that the way it was. And just adding these tulips, the egg, some of these whimsical eggs and whimsical carrots from the Target dollar spot, just add just some real happiness to this bunny. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed going back in time with me on the things that I've made, that I've revamped, reinvented. And let's go get his cousin real quick. So here they are again. And these tulips in the camera look really kind of bluish, but they're not. They're very, very, very purple. And again, let's just take a look at these decoupaged eggs and this quilted egg I made. Take a look at this cutie again. Very easy to make, very easy to make. And she also has her little carrot. So guys, I hope that you liked this, going back with me. I hope you'll try the one bunny. Go to my video and look at her. I show you step by step. This guy, unfortunately, video taping things like this wasn't even in existence. But I just wanted to show you how I was going to revamp him. So until next time, guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye. We bop and pretty hot, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and it's pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and pretty hot, I'll never be a millionaire.